Hey there everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today it's going to be a fun one. For some reason I've been really into like sparkly sets and sets that just look really pretty on paper, or pretty in a book, I guess. And so I know that Duelist Saga happens to be one of them. I was able to get two of these display cases, well, display boxes from Multi Monster Deals over at Frankenstein's in SoCal. And so yeah, I wanted to give them a big shout out. I bought two of them, but hopefully we only need one to complete the set. I'm gonna start getting this open. Just wanted to show you guys it is in fact completely sealed. So that nobody was like, oh no, like you cheated, there's no way you got those pulls, blah 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 blah. Yeah, a bunch of bullcrap. What I am gonna do though is I am gonna go through all of the boxes first and get all of those out, just because nobody has that kind of time for me to open up all of those individually. But I am going to get those all just to kind of show you, if you guys haven't seen these yet. You get 3 packs, and then in each pack you get 5 cards, and that's about it. Let's see if we can get I saw somebody selling one of these for, oh hey, there you go. Someone was trying to sell this, I forgot his name, but it makes sense. Trying to sell one of these with Dark Magician and Blue Eyes with Yugi or Yami there as like purely a collector's item. Oh hey, funny story, I guess I have 2 of them. He was trying to, these go for like 12, but since the aesthetic looks really cool, and I guess these are quote unquote kind of rare to get that look like this, he was trying to sell them for like 22, 24, which like totally makes sense to me. And I was originally going to buy them from him, but I didn't want to ruin that aesthetic for somebody if that was going to be an issue. So I'm actually going to start getting through all of these, get all the packs out, and I'm just going to like fast forward through. All right. Okay, so now they're all actually divvied up. I think I want to go from least or greatest to least, actually. I feel like with all those, if you can see, so those are kind of, obviously we're going to get Yugi in all 8. So we'll pull him first, but we only got 2 Dark Magician, 2 Honest Neos, 2 Black Rose. I want to say that that's 7 Deadly Sins, or 7 Sins, 3 Cyber Dragons, 4 Blue Eyes, and then the 8 Yamis. So yeah, we'll start off with all the Yami stuff first. Should be really cool. Super excited. Ooh, as you can see, really shiny. Ooh, really like the shiny stuff here. Flashing souls. I'm definitely gonna keep one of each artwork because that's really important, I think. Ooh, gosh, why do these look so good? Ooh, Treeborn Frog. Another double fin. And a Vision Hero Vion. I also kind of just like, I really like Duza as a whatchamacallit. You guys know what I mean? Here we go, another Honest Neos. It's a good card. A lot of people want that. No, I shouldn't say for some reason, because there's an obvious reason. It's not like, ooh, heck yeah. One of my favorite cards ever. Also, one of the most hated cards ever. I've loved this card forever, though. Just the artwork, too. Solemn Warning. Oh, Malevolent Sin is what the card's called. It's good to know for future reference. Anyways, in case you guys didn't know, or haven't noticed from, previous videos, oh, there we go. Blue Eyes, such a pretty card as an ultra. Have you guys noticed, is that something that's specific to this set? It's got that line. I never noticed that before on any of the other Duza cards that I have. I guess I just don't have that many. But yeah, look at, even on, it just seems like, ooh. Oh, and see, this is like why I wanted to get this. Not for Jinzo specifically, but it's like, even though like these aren't like that Jinzo is probably not that expensive of a card is in this set, but it's still one of those things where you're like, frick, like I pulled that card and it's really cool because it's like a huge throwback because these were all in the meta, and so it's like, I'm just, which is also kind of funny. Hold on, actually no, I don't need scissors. I'm just gonna open this up very carefully. Here we go. What's funny is that I have one of these already. I traded for a set of the beasts. Nice. So far, really happy. Okay, so that was all of the Yami packs. Now we're going to start on with the Blue Eyes. See what cool stuff we can come up with on this pack. Original Fish, Tsukuyomi, Duel, and a Celestial Double Star Shaman. Gotta love that this is first edition too. Here we go, Pot of Duality, Neospatian Grand Wall, White Veil, Depth Shark. I'm already noticing, even in, we can call it superstition, I guess, but even in, just different packs, I had a feeling that possibly you weren't going to get the same cards. But I mean, we just pulled our second Honest Neos, kind of thing. Okay, this is the one we're keeping right here. Gotta be careful, right? Frickin' course, of course. Well, I'm sure I have one that I didn't ruin in there. Actually, gotta find it before I continue. Ooh, there we go. Is there a specific rarity that this is called, outside of Ultra? Chaos Scepter. That's really pretty. Not that one. Ooh, found one. Found a good pack art. Awesome. Okay, that was Blue Eyes. Now we're on to Cyber Dragon. But yeah, back to my original statement. I have two boxes of these, but again, hoping that I don't need to open both of them. But it's more like a what do I call it? A precaution, just in case. It's like, oh yeah, like if I can pull all of them, that'd be great, Sorry, I'm being careful on this one, or at least trying to be, so that I can at least... There we go. I did it. Perfect. Okay, got that pack art. Okay, got another one. Uriah, or Uria, however you guys call it. Legacy of the Duelist, nice. Alright, so far, like, again, I don't know what cards, I mean, I do, but at the same time I don't. Ooh, here we go. I don't really know in this set what cards are amazing, so forgive me if I am a little nonchalant about pulling certain cards. Harpy's Feather Storm. Just because, again, like, I haven't... Same thing happened with the Megatins. People were coming up to me and were like, dude, you just pulled, Magician's Navigation. And I'm like, so? They're kind of like, because I haven't been in this that long. I ripped the frickin' front. Ooh, here we go. I'm just trying not to do, oh, I only have one pack too. Judgment, Castell, Saber Shark, Dark Lord, and another Honest Neos. Okay, gotta try really hard on this one. Actually, from now on, I'm just gonna scissor it from here. I typically cut off more anyway. Oh, well, might have to. Yeah, okay. A little bit more. That's about where I cut it anyway. Just because everything else above and below doesn't really matter. Ooh. I've always liked this card's art though. This is a side note. This card, the Dark Armored level, I think it's 3, 5, 7, 8, and 10. These were my favorite arts at the time, along with Silent Magician and Silent Knight, I want to say it was. Those were my favorite artworks from like that series. Now at the Black Rose Dragon. Again, gonna try to just rip them open nicely. For the sake of artwork. Another Constellar Ptolemy. Red Penguin. Halfway to Forever. Alright. One more. Do you guys ever just feel the absolute need to just open something? Open packs? Ooh, I've never seen this card in an ultra rare before. It's really pretty. Crystal Zero. Contract with Dawn 1000. Uh-oh, this one should have been up with the... before this one. Oh well. Okay, now we're on to Honest Neos. Looks like we got a Double D Warrior. I feel like I've started a couple of rants and then just stopped them at this point, so forgive me. Ooh, a Soul Charge. I've known a lot of people who have wanted this card super recently. Solemn Warning. Ooh. Necroid Synchro. Alright, last of the Neos. Yeah. Alright. Saved hopefully the best for last, these two Dark Magicians. Let's see what's up. Let's see what we got here. Neospration, Doom Caliber, Fallen Paralyzed, Sea Lord's Amulet, and a Silent Angler. Haven't seen a couple of those yet. Ironic. Pulling a Blue Eyes out of a Dark Magician. Did I save this one already? Nope. Perfect. Blue Eyes. Ooh, finished. Finished it. Awesome, now I have all three. Perfect. Necroid and Converging West. Alright guys, so that's all of that. Right now, we're gonna see what we got. I'm actually gonna do a short organizing video right now, included with pack arts and whatnot, so I will get to doing that right away, and then we'll see what we're missing and if we get to look forward to a second Duelist Saga video. Alright? Okay, be right back. Hey guys, so today's going to be a little bit shorter of a organization process. As you can see, I wasn't opening anything crazy long at least. So yeah, so we're gonna be looking at possibly opening another Duelist Saga box, because I already remember there are some cards that I didn't pull that so I didn't complete the set, obviously, like the Black Rose Dragon. Didn't pull that. Didn't pull a couple of other ones like the fusion between the Sacred Beasts and whatnot. Yeah, so there will be a second one, but it'll be a little bit different than this video, simply because I want it to be a little bit more fun. I'm trying to make my videos a little bit more intriguing, or a little easier to watch, so they're not going to be like as long as usual. For your guys' sake, I want you guys to enjoy watching these videos. If you do, feel free to let me know again if I can make any changes, if there is any content specifically that you want to see, whether that's a specific card opening or particular set opening, as long as it's not like something crazy expensive right now, like LOB or something, just because I don't got that kind of money yet. But yeah, something that I am interested in doing, that I just recently started wanting to do, was doing master sets. And the reason why I want to start doing master sets is because it just looks really cool, and someone brought to my attention that we don't get ghost rares and ultis in the new TCG sets anymore, like Code of the Duelist and whatnot. And so I want to be able to still do that stuff and get those cards. So I will be starting that process pretty soon, and I think I am gonna make it a video, in the sense where instead of making you guys watch like 5 box openings, or me opening 5 different boxes of OCG, like it's cheaper, I think what I'm gonna actually do is I'm actually just gonna buy from one vendor, and have them ship all the cards that I need to make a master set in one shot. The reason for that is because it's a little cheaper, but at the same time, that way I can show you all the cards that are different, because there are different variations between OCG and TCG. For instance, like just Code of the Duelist specifically, just because that's the one I'm actually going to work on next. For instance, Trickstar Reincarnation is a common card in OCG, where here in TCG we get it as a secret, or is it an ultra? Either way, we get it really shiny. So here's that. As you can see, I took the liberty of putting the pack art in previously. Now I'm going to do some counting down of all the cards that I'm missing. But yeah, like, I'm really excited to finish this set. I'm also thinking about doing a new organizational system, kind of using the whole thing. But yeah, 23 cards are missing. Definitely going to be opening up that second box, you know. But stay tuned if I actually do complete the set within those boxes. I'm actually going to go one by one in the next video, meaning that I'm going to keep everything sealed until I get to it. So there may be a possibility that I'm giving away some Duelist Saga boxes, or even some Duelist Saga packs. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. It'll be really cool to see the set completed. Extremely shiny, especially once we get the all the pages full and get that special ultra rare shine to it that Duza is so famous for. So yeah, see you guys later. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I have multiple videos coming out weekly, and have a nice day.